Mountainland Technical College's Heating, Ventilation, Air Conditioning, Refrigeration Technician Program is a hands-on 630-hour training course. And in that training course, it prepares students for real careers in the heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration career field. It's built to get students ready from day one. Students can expect to learn everything from refrigeration cycles, gas heating, to ductless split systems, to heat pumps, electrical troubleshooting, diagnostics, all with a focus of safety, diagnostics, and real-world application. Students here train on live equipment, troubleshoot real-world faults. They leave prepared having completed the EPA 608, Environmental Protection Agency 608 Universal Certification, which is a federal requirement. They also pick up the Utah required mandatory Rocky Mountain Gas Association gas certification, the HVACR Ice Machine industry standard certification, as well as Heatcraft refrigeration certifications dealing with compressors, as well as electronic remove and retrofit of controls. And with much more with hands-on skills, they leave with the tools necessary that employers want. Our students, we train on real-world equipment, cold systems, HVACR ice machines, mini splits, gas furnaces, dual fuel heat pump systems, Daikin variable refrigerant volume systems, and tools like recovery machines, multimeters, digital and analog manifold gauge systems. If you're an individual who likes working with your hands, solving problems, learning practical skills, this program is for you. No prior experience is necessary, just drive and strong work ethic, and we'll get you through it. We're affordable, we're industry driven, we're a high value program that's been put together from the ground up from what the industry needs and wants. Our instructors are licensed professionals with real field experience. They're supportive, accessible, and committed to helping every student succeed. And our grads are job ready, and that's why the students choose Mountainland Technical College for the HVAC program. Graduates land jobs across Utah, up and down the Wasatch Front, as well as beyond, in both residential, commercial, as well as in refrigeration industries. I mean, the industry demand is huge, and we're trying to fill that need. Students who complete the Mountainland Technical College Heating, Ventilation, Air Conditioning, Refrigeration program go on to become service technicians, installers, refrigeration technicians, and commercial controls technicians, as well as more. With experience, students can become managers, they can go on to become supervisors, even start their own business.